everybody, it's Andy Gross from the Law Office of Andrew P. Gross. We're doing a short series of videos, or a series of short videos on frequently asked questions that we've found out there in the internet and chat rooms and in various forums, and we just wanted to see if we could tackle them one short video at a time. So let's get started. The first question that I'd like to answer is, how do I get 100% VA disability? Well, the obvious one is, first is have service-connected disabilities and be eligible for VA disability benefits. So it's the same criteria for a 10, 20, 30% disabled veteran as it is for 100% disabled. Now, if you're 100% disabled, it means that one or more of your disabilities are pretty severe and significant enough to warrant that 100% disability rating. Now, first things first. 100% VA disability doesn't mean you have 10% ratings or 50% ratings, because as I've discussed in other videos, there's something called the VA combined ratings table, which I like to call funky VA math. You can add up all your ratings and you can add up well over 100%, but the VA won't rate you at 100% until it fits into their formula. And I can discuss that a little later on more in another video and explain some examples. So some disabilities, though, can't be rated at 100% at all. For instance, if you have a knee sprain, that's not going to get up to 100% disabling. Certain disabilities, though, can be rated at 100% disabling, like PTSD or depression or some other service-connected acquired psychiatric conditions. Now, to get that 100% rating, you look at the law. And that's in 38 CFR Point 4, Part 4. To be a 100% disabled with a psychiatric condition, it has to be totally and occupationally impairing. Now, what does that mean? It means you can't hold a steady job and you have really significant problems socially. Now, of course, there are lots of other conditions that can be 100% rated, like various cancers, some orthopedic conditions, but by and large, it's only a rare few that can actually get up to 100%. A lot of folks who end up at 100% are there because they have multiple significant disabilities, and the funky VA math, as I like to call it, gets them to 100%. There's also another way to 100%. And that is through total disability through individual unemployability, or TDIU. And I've talked about that here, there, and everywhere. But that is if you meet certain criteria and your service-connected disabilities render you unable to work, you may be entitled to TDIU. It gets a little complicated. I like to think that even the VA sometimes doesn't understand TDIU, but does pay you at 100% and entitled to you other benefits that you would receive if you were 100% disabled, even if you're not actually 100% disabled. Anyway, that was short answer on how to get rated at 100%. If you've been denied VA disability benefits, give us a call, reach out. We do VA disability appeals, and we'd love to help you.